The Goto Islands in Japan are an area where they're planning to build a tidal energy test site. And Kyushu University in Japan had an existing hydrodynamic model of that area, but they had no way of representing turbines in that model. So I saw that opportunity and was able to work with them to represent tidal turbines in their model and to look at the tidal energy potential of the Goto Islands to inform the future developments. And we recently published a paper with Scottish and Japanese co-authors giving the results of that. That was enabled by a 2-month visit to Japan, which I did, which was funded by the MASTS PECRA scheme. And in fact, the paper was written up then on a MASTS-funded writing retreat. So I'm very grateful for MASTS for letting that happen. Two things we came up with. One is an estimate of the energy resource that's available in that group of islands, which will be of interest for the people developing there. But the second thing is a more general interest, which is looking at how tidal channels behave when we have more than one channel that are parallel to each other. In some areas, if you take energy out of one channel, all that happens is you send the water down the other route, so you don't get as much as you expect. And in fact, in Goto, we found that behaves differently, so we got some interesting insights into why the difference is and how it depends on the geometry of the islands.